Hey everybody, whether you are stuck at home right now because of the coronavirus, or you're watching this video in the future and you're just looking for some good tips to get a better home workout, this video is for you. We've got 5 tips that you can use in the comfort of your own home. Let's jump right in. Our first home workout tip today is to hold an isometric sumo squat while you do things around the house. So for the sumo squat, you're going to spread your feet wider than your hips, turn your feet out a little bit to the sides, keep those knees right over the middle of the feet, and then you're going to lower yourself down and hold that position while you do your dishes. Another place I like to use this is working on this YouTube channel. I love to just take a few minutes, kick that chair out of the way, and spend some time holding that isometric hold. It is a great workout for the legs and the core, and of course it'll get your metabolism moving instead of just sitting in that chair hour after hour. If you've got a different suggestion for something you think you could do around your house in the sumo squat, make sure to write it down in the comment section below. Tip number 2 is to stand on one leg while brushing your teeth. I mentioned this in our New Year's goals video. It is one of my favorite simple choices you can make in your daily life that will change your life. Nothing complicated to it. You just stand on one leg, brush your teeth. This is going to be great for working the stabilizing muscles in your ankles, your knees, and your pelvis, which means if you're older and you're getting worried about that fall that sometimes happens because we don't have the hip stability through the pelvis and the knees, this is the exercise for you. But if you're younger, you're an athlete, you're a weightlifter, it is just as important because working those stabilizing muscles means you're going to have the stability you need when you get back to your squats or your deadlifts, your heavy lifting, or any sort of explosive athletic movement you want to do. Tip number 3 is to work out while you watch things on your screens. So whether this is YouTube, Netflix, you're watching TV or the news, you're checking Instagram, you can always find a way to get a workout. So if you're standing with your phone, that could be a squat. You can put your computer up on a desk and do some ab exercises, some crunches or hollow bodies, or one of my personal favorites, put that screen on the ground and work on your plank variations. Whoa. Hey, have you guys seen this Posnick training guide? This is amazing. I'm gonna like this video right now. Tip number 4 is to find yourself a workout partner. Most people know when you go to the gym, if you have a buddy you go with, you're gonna show up on time because they're there waiting for you. You're gonna push a little harder in your workouts, and you're gonna go longer at the end of the workout because you're both there to keep each other motivated and excited. Just because you're stuck in your house right now, it doesn't mean that you can't have a partner. Call a friend and just say, hey, look, I want to start working out regularly. What if we give each other a quick text every day when we start our workouts? Or we check in every few days to talk about how it's been going and to set new goals and hold each other accountable. Of course, you can also hop on Skype or any other video chat and even work out together. You don't have to be alone just because you're alone right now. And of course, it doesn't just have to be one partner. This is a place where social media is awesome. Go ahead and post on Facebook or Instagram. Let your friends and community know that you're planning on starting to work out more regularly. Post when you've worked out. Get people excited, get people involved, and that way we can all join together and stay together through these crazy times. On that note, wow, what a smooth segue. On that note, we are about to start a 30-day home workout challenge on our Instagram channel. So if you haven't checked us out, we are on Facebook and Instagram at Posnick Training. And in just a few days, we are going to start a 30-day home workout challenge where every day for 30 days, I'm going to share one exercise you can do at home with no equipment. And I do hope you will join us for that. And our 5th and final home workout tip for you today is to do micro workouts. Micro workouts, as you may have guessed, simply means small workouts you do throughout the day. So a lot of people feel like if they don't have time to get to the gym, or if like right now every gym on the planet is closed, it's hard to get the same motivation to do a full 45-minute to hour-long intense workout, and then they don't work out at all. So on this channel in the next few weeks, I will be putting out a few videos with some home workouts you can do with no equipment. But that said, the important thing is to do something, whether it's 5 or 10 minutes or even 60 seconds. So my tip is that when I'm working on the computer for hours, I put a little alarm on my phone for 60 minutes. And once an hour, when that alarm goes off, I stand up and I do something with my body. Sometimes I feel inspired to do a full workout. Sometimes I just do one set of push-ups or a few handstands. The best workout is the one you do. So anything that you choose to do instead of staying seated in that chair is going to get your muscles contracting, get the blood flowing through your body, It's going to help your metabolism spike a bit. It's going to burn at least a few calories, and your body's internal chemistry set is going to produce those chemicals and hormones that help you stay cheerful, healthy, happy, and sleep better at night. So let's stay healthy, let's stay happy, let's stay connected. I'm David Posnick with Posnick Training. We'll see you soon.